Hi, I'm Tyler, Customer Service Rep with Explore Scientific. This year will be especially important to come together as friends and family, and more challenging than ever with video conferencing the Thanksgiving Day meal to Christmas morning just not feeling the same, which makes getting the right gift more important. Not only does it have to say how important they are to you, but it also has to be more than a t-shirt or video games. The perfect gift needs to be practical and thoughtful. Together with National Geographic and Discovery, the Explore Scientific team has selected the best gifts with these hand-picked items. They're not only useful and thoughtful, they make you think and learn, all while having a great time either by yourself or with friends and family. For the beginner, the lineup starts with the Explore 1 Aurora 2 flat black Newtonian, the 70mm carbon fiber refractor, and the 50mm CF600. With these amazing entry-level telescopes, you can embark on a fascinating adventure through our solar system. Additional accessories include 2 colossal eyepieces, a smooth alt-azimuth mount with slow-motion controls, a planisphere, a red dot finder, and downloadable software. For those who are looking into the next step of the world of astronomy, the First Light series telescopes not only offer more detail and better optics, they are customizable, allowing for future upgrades, like nature to astrophotography. The Explore First Light AR102, the Newtonian 130, and the AR127 include each an adapter that allows you to use your smartphone to easily capture and share the beauty unfolding into your eyepiece. It also comes with a red dot finder to align with any celestial objects. When shopping for your young scientist in your home who is looking to explore everything from the soils to the stars, these telescope sets open a full range of discovery options by including a telescope, microscope, and an assortment of accessories from a shrimp hatchery and prepared slides to binoculars. Any of these sets would make great gifts and keep your young scientists learning while having fun. Or go even deeper into the microscopic world with the National Geographic 40 to 1600 times LCD microscope. With its 3.5-inch screen as an eyepiece, everyone can discover together, making science not just fun, but a family affair. Learning and discovering is the main part of growing up. And the Explore 1 metal detector makes it easy for your young adventurer to go on journeys on their own, with different tones that identify various precious metal buried up to 6 inches, and an LED light that allows you to either do low light or nighttime searching. As a kid, one thing I would have loved to have had is the Explore 1 water and land habitat. I loved lightning bugs, ladybugs, but never had anywhere safe to keep them. You know, a shoebox isn't the best thing to keep little creepy crawlies in. My mother was always yelling at me. This clear habitat lets the young bug enthusiasts examine what they capture and keeps them from escaping, and the mom's happy. Another great holiday gift that will get used almost every day is the Explore 1 Explorer set. Collect any specimen and examine them right away, day or night, with the included light and compass. The first thing I look forward to when waking up on Christmas Day is the stocking stuffers. Getting all those small knickknacks and gift cards and great holiday treats. Why not make this year's stocking stuffers more useful and practical with an Explore Scientific 15mm 52-degree eyepiece or a 14mm 82-degree eyepiece? Or give that wonderful YouTube enthusiast an Explore 1 1080p action camera. It comes with a multitude of accessories, including a waterproof case and multiple mounting options. Or why not fill the stocking with an impressive waterproof 8x42 Alpen Shasta Ridge binoculars, or some kid-friendly 6x21 binoculars. These would make great, terrific additions for the holiday gift list and keep giving fun for every adventure for years and years to come. Now for a stocking stuffer for the seasoned amateur astronomer who just has about everything. A great gift will always be an additional red light flashlight. These lights allow anyone to see their way around without ruining his or her night vision, and seriously, who couldn't use another flashlight? Or make their entire year with a subscription for the Explore Alliance Platinum membership. This membership not only offers quarterly newsletters and sneak peeks of new products, it also has VIP access to events, but also includes Extended Care Plus with no-fault coverage of any Alpen, Bresser, Explore 1, and Explore Scientific products, as well as with advanced replacement services, and discounts on pre-release products and free maintenance to any Explore Scientific telescope. This membership is my personal choice. Plus you can get a $100 gift card for anything on the Explore site. I mean, this is one of the best deals out there. Another great idea for kiddos or grandkids is the Explore Hut Playland series. Great for girls and boys or any adventurer. These great looking tents range from school buses to dollhouses and even a spaceship, just in time for Christmas. Your little ones will enjoy hours of fun employing their imaginations. Or get the kids something that will introduce them to the wonderful world of astronomy and exactly how a telescope works. This amazing telescope becomes ready to assemble and nurtures lifelong interest in light optics and astronomy. For the nature enthusiast, the Bresser Trail camera is the perfect gift. The affordability and the ruggedness of these cameras make your backyard, 40 acres, or anywhere you can imagine come alive. These motion-activated cameras come in 2 options and bundles. Not only are they great for visual observations, they are also amazing for wildlife and for one's property. Whether you're buying for yourself or someone special to you, all of these items will be the most used and thought-provoking gifts under the tree. And as always, from all of us at Explore Scientific, we wish you a happy holidays.